This is part 2 video in a series for a sweet friend who's navigating some life stuff. But it's really for all of you too, who I love and who I wish I could share my house with. So for now, it's a video tour, but maybe someday you'll be able to come visit or stay or whatever works out, because we need more like love and togetherness in this world. This is the mini, I call it a porch-ette. It's the first room in the house if you walk through the front door. I've gotten my book collection kind of narrowed down to a dull roar, which doesn't sound good for a book lover, but it is if you get overwhelmed like me, and if you just had too much stuff to be able to enjoy or manage. So I kind of winnowed some things down. These are a bunch of maps that were part of what I inherited from my parents' house after Mom passed. And yeah, lots of things. Most of the furniture is from Mom and Dad's house. Some things like the mirror and other stuff I scrounged from the curbside, and some things I just don't remember where they came from. Not very many things were purchased, that's for sure. Well, someone purchased them at some point. Probably not me and probably not new. Other than a lot of these books. A lot of these books I purchased at some point. And then games were from just different, some from my childhood, but bananagrams I purchased because I love bananagrams. This room, so this door shuts. If a friend had an emergency and needed a place to stay with their cats, for example, in this tiny little room, it's kind of sealed off from the rest of the house, so the housemates with allergies would be able to cope if it was an emergency. I could build a catio too, huh?